In this tutorial, we'll cover yard area cargo criteria, editable weight, and penalties. Hi, my name is Al Delcy and I'm a software engineer at Octopi. Let's see some new updates. Let's take this yard for example. Let's go to toggle details, cargo criteria, and let's edit those weights, scores, and penalties in order to suggest specific containers to go into this specific yard area. Let's choose a cargo type of container, and we're going to give it a weight of 1000. We're going to say that we want full containers and also give it a weight of 1000. As you notice, I'm putting huge numbers in the score area. The numbers don't necessarily go from a scale of 1 to 100. The higher the score, the more likely this type of cargo will be suggested for this yard area. Let's continue to add criteria. Container size 40, and let's also give that a score of 1000. Container type, we're going to choose reefer and give that a score of 1000. And finally, we're going to choose containers coming from this specific voyage, and we're also going to give that a score of 1000. Let's go ahead and save. And as you can notice, if we toggle the details, you will see that these scores are figuring on the page to say what type of container is preferred for this yard area. Now, let's go to our tally for this voyage. As you can notice, we have some reefer containers in our voyage. Let's discharge a few of them. Now let's check our work queue for this voyage. As you can notice, our suggested yard area is the one that we selected. As you can notice, our suggested yard area is the one that we specifically prepped with the high scores for this type of cargo. And you can see that our suggestions are the following: TEC 13, TEC 12, and TEC 11, which corresponds to our yard spots. TEC 13, TEC 12, and TEC 11. Let's go ahead and claim those containers. Let's reload our yard, and there you go. Those containers have been claimed in their right spots. To understand how this is calculated, you can take a look at the yard suggestion page for that specific container. And as you can see, based on the cargo criteria scores, the test yard scored 5030 points. Our hello yard is our next in line. Our R yard is 64, A is 58, and so on. And because our test yard scored the highest, this is where our cargo will be suggested to go. Thank you for using Octopi, and we'll see you soon.